Yes, both hands. Yes, you can do it.
You got it.
Yay! Show. Wow. Start. Lettuce.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Karkikor, and today I'm in a strawberry farm in Chattarpur. Today was a delightful day as we embarked on a unique adventure to a strawberry farm in Chattarpur, Delhi. The experience was nothing short of a magical day filled with laughter, fresh produce and delicious treats. The weather played a significant role in making our day extraordinary. The morning began with gentle rain, setting the perfect tone. Throughout the day, the sun remained hidden, replaced by cool and winds that added to the charm of our outing. Okay guys, so now we have reached the farm and this is the gate opening. Guys, look, the farm is so beautiful and the strawberries, they look so juicy and sweet, right guys? And the place looks really nice, right? Accompanied by my closest friends, we embarked on a 2-hour drive to reach our destination as we experienced heavy traffic. Upon arriving at the farm, we were greeted by lush greenery and the promise of an unforgettable experience.
Every inch of the farm. Wow, the strawberries, man. They should give you a scissor. I didn't do something. हाथ से थोड़ी ना टूट जाएगी. चल हम करें.
Okay, so now we have reached, and also the entry ticket for the children is 900 rupees, and for the grown-up it is 400 rupees if you're not taking a basket. So guys, you can eat as many strawberries as you want, and also you can take 200 grams
Let's go.
strawberries to your house, and it'll be free. Strawberry plucking session was the highlight of our day. We meandered through the fields carefully, selecting the ripest and juiciest strawberries. The sheer joy of plucking our own fruit, surrounded by the serenity of the farm, creating memories that will last a lifetime. But the farm had more to offer than just strawberries. We gathered an assortment of fresh produce, including lettuce, cabbage, radish, carrot, spinach, and cherry tomatoes. The vibrant colors and the earthy aroma of the vegetables added to the sensory delight of our excursion. Guys, look, this is the broccoli, and if you want to pluck it, then you have to spin it. Look, I got one! Yay! Okay, so now it's time to pluck some cabbage. So come on with me. How do you pluck it?
How do you
Look,
pluck
these are some
cabbage?
cabbages.
I'll show you.
And to pluck it out, you have
This is the
to
cabbage, see?
cut it with a knife. And look, the bhaiya is showing me right now how to cut it. You have to do it from the side, then you have to go do it from the front part of the knife, and then you cut it.
भैया help कर दो. Look here. Do like this.
कैरेट कहाँ है भैया कैरेट
एक मिनट मैडम
वाओ, इसके हाथ में पकड़ा दो. Kara, show. Hold it in your hand. Wow.
और क्या?
Cabbage.
Okay guys, so now we are going to the other side, and in the other side we are going to take some radish and lettuce. So come on guys with me.
Come. We're going to take radish. चलो. Oh, show. Wow.
I picked up two of these. Put it up. One more.
Okay.
आप रख दो. चल फिर चल.
You got the patti. Should I take it out? It's not coming. Yeah.
Yes. Both hands. Yes, you can do it.
You got it.
Yay! Show. Wow.
The biggest one.
Yes, it's such a big one.
Biggest one.
Huh?
You take now.
Start. Lettuce.
Eat.
Show. Wow. Yeah. Show.
This is perfect. So guys, now we have all the vegetables, and now we just have to pay for it in the end. And also after that, you guys know what we have to do. We have to make a salad out of all the vegetables and then eat it. And then we will have strong bones and we will be the strongest people in the world. So yay! And guys, look, this is a swimming pool. Isn't it cool? But we cannot swim in it because it's winters. But it's about to be spring now. So yeah, I'm very happy. Winters is gone.
What are you taking out?
Carrot.
Take it out.
ये काला.
Two hands, with two hands. Oh, show.
Why is it black? It's black. It's not
ये है लाल.
With two hands. Come in front. Ooh. Nice, show.
I want to take another one.
Take.
This one.
Yeah.
I got the small one. I got one. Oh. There is another one. We'll pretend like it's too young. I got one. Where's my basket?
Oh, nice.
Watch here.
Oh.
ये चलना पड़ेगा उतने हाथ में तो पहले पूरा है ये दांत बेकार होगा ना. हाँ तो मत.
मुझे काट लो जितना चाहिए.
कोरिएंडर कैसे तोड़ना है? तोड़ियो.
खोटिए ना.
फोटो ना डालूं.
भागा हुआ क्यों खा रहे हैं? हरा निकालिए ना.
कहाँ है हरा?
हरा इधर है ना. ये हरा रहा. ये हरा रहा.
ये मेथी भी है. ये मेथी है.
नहीं मेथी नहीं. जंगली घास.
Spinach, see? No, in front. वो वाला, ये लंबा वाला. No, you have to cut it. He's telling you. Don't take it out like this. What are you taking?
Spinach.
This is all spinach. Yeah, take it.
Is it like this?
Take it.
Dad, give me my basket.
Yeah. One more. Spinach.
You have to cut it like this. Oh yeah, let me do it. Do it.
एंट्री पे पपाया
Can I have a bread?
Yeah, come. Can I come?
I want bread. I want a bread. What's this?
What do you want?
What is this thing?
It's cheese.
Who wants to sit with me? I want pasta too. Bye.
Have you ordered French fries?
Mm-hmm.
Pasta. How's it?
Yummy.
Just we're gonna remember all our life. What we got from home first time.
Yeah.
So hot. We have ketchup? No, we don't need ketchup.
It's about to rain.
Combination of the beautiful weather, the joy of strawberry picking, and the tasty food made this day truly special. It was a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the importance of spending quality time with friends. And guys, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you liked the strawberry picking video as much as I did. And bye and subscribe my channel, hit the bell button. Bye.